Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello again. We meet in my English class. You remember my name? Yes, it's Miss Amel. Last week, we have learned how to express your daily activity and you have give me the picture of your activity at home. But today, we are going to learn how to read the time. Now, look at the picture here, how to read the time. In English, the time divided into three. First, they call it morning. Indonesian said pagi. Second, they call it afternoon. Waktu yang kedua, mereka sebut afternoon. We call it siang dan sore. Okay? The last one, they call it evening. Ya, kita sebut adalah malam. So there are three kind of time: morning, afternoon, and evening. Okay, now before we move to read the clock, I'm going to review your number ability. Okay, now let's read together. You look at the screen and we say the number from 1 until 10. Ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Excellent, student. Now, we move from number 11 until 20. It's a piece of cake, right? Okay, let's start. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Okay, excellent, student. First, in grade 2, you are going to read the time using the word o'clock. When someone asks you what's the time and the long needle point to number 12, you can say it o'clock. For example, so the formula is and you mention the number and you say o'clock. Look at the picture of the clock. Can you see it clearly? Yeah. I'm going to ask you, what's the time? Yes, because the short needle is pointed to number 9. So we said is 9 o'clock. Yeah. Yeah. So all the ending should be o'clock. If the long needle on number 12, all the ending using a clock. Ya, kalau jarum panjangnya semuanya di angka 12, diakhiri dengan kata a clock. Ya, only on 12, okay? Now, there's a picture of a clock here, and I'm going to ask you, what's the time? Yeah, excellent, student. It's 3 o'clock. Good. Next, number 2. What is going to be? Can you see the long needle still on number 12, but the short needle on number 8. So what's the time? It's 8 o'clock. Excellent, student. Number 3. Look, the short needle on number, yes, it's on the number 5. So what's the time? It's 5 o'clock. Number 4. What's the time? Can you answer? Excellent, student. It's 1 o'clock. Yeah. The next one, the short a needle on number? Yes, it's number 11. So what's the time? It's 11 o'clock. Now, you have learned how to read the clock and we are going to put it into a sentence. First of all, do you remember what is the boy doing? Yes, he's waking up. He wakes up or he said, "Oh, I wake up at," look at the clock. Yes, 5 o'clock. So he said, "I wake up at 5 o'clock. How about you?" I'm sure all of you wake up before 6, right? To do subuh prayer. Now, the second picture. Oh, you're not going to do this until January, right? But it's okay. He said, "I go to school at," look at the clock. Yes, it's 6 o'clock. The short needle on number 6. So the sentence will be, "I go to school at 6 o'clock. How about you? Next. What is the boy doing? Yes, he's having lunch. He said, "I have lunch at," where is the short needle? Is both on number 12, the long one and the short one on number 12. So what's the time? Yes, I have lunch at 12 o'clock, he said. How about you? The last one, what is the boy doing? Yes, he go to bed. I go to bed at, excellent, 9 o'clock. Now, you have learned how to read the time and express your daily activity using the time. Now, you can test yourself. You can open your Supermind book on page 13 and read the passage about a boy, and then you have to number this scribble picture. The picture is not in correct order, so you have to read and find which one goes before the others. Ya, jadi kamu harus baca di halaman 13 exercise 1 dan kamu cari activity-nya yang mana yang duluan and you give a number on the box. Number 1 until number 5. Jadi angkanya nggak ada tahu-tahu angka 7, nggak ada. Jadi angkanya antara 1 sampai 5. But the picture is not in correct order. Tapi gambar ini acak-acakan. Okay, so read first and then you decide which is the picture. Okay, okay. Do it this exercise. Do not collect or send back to me. Just to test yourself. Maybe your brother, sister, or your parents can help you to correct it. Okay, thank you very much. Have fun. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.